She never really well had a handicap, would you? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, maybe got him that time. You caught up to him, spit him in the butt. Run, Ollie, run! Ollie's good there.
This is the dog that has a paralyzed two back legs. Who wants a drink of water?
He is getting a drink of water.
Thirsty.
Oliver went to the water bowl and stopped, and Nate's drinking all the water. You know, it's hard work doing what they're doing.
Hi, Nader. Hi, Nate. You pretty proud of yourself? Are you pretty proud? Yeah, yeah. All in a day's work. Terrorizing your brother. The two miniature dachshunds. Twins. Separated at birth. Atta boy. Now kiss and make up. Or was that just her second wind? Are you thirsty? Are you going to sniff Daddy's shoes?
Yeah, he likes those shoes now.
Yeah, he does.
He's not terrified of them anymore anyway. The dog.
Ollie. Hi, buddy. You pretty boy. Hi, Ollie. You're on the movie. Okay. Is the story over? Bye-bye. I'm afraid if I turn it off, it'll do something else cute. Hi, Nader. Hi, Nate, baby. He's a pretty boy. Look up at Mama. Nate. Whoa, stay.
No.
Oh.
Nader doesn't.